The Airbus A-321 had just taken off from the Red Sea resort of Sharm el-Sheikh, on its way to the Russian city of St. Petersburg. There were conflicting reports about the fate of the plane, some suggesting it had disappeared over Cyprus. Most of the passengers are said to be Russian tourists. The plane was operated by the small Russian airline Kogalomavia, based in western Siberia. Latest reports say it was carrying 217 passengers and 7 crew. The Russian aviation authority Rosaviatsia said in a statement that Flight 7K9268 left Sharm el-Sheikh at 6:51 Moscow time, 3:51 Greenwich Mean Time, and had been due into St. Petersburg's Pulkovo Airport at 12:10. The authority added that the aircraft failed to make scheduled contact with Cyprus air traffic control 23 minutes after takeoff and disappeared from the radar. A center to help relatives of the passengers has been set up at Pulkovo Airport. TASS news agency quoted St. Petersburg city officials as saying, "Egyptian air traffic control lost contact with the civilian airliner, flight number 7K9268 shortly after it took off from the Red Sea resort of Sharm el-Sheikh to head to St. Petersburg, Russia," aviation sources said.